The process of installing offshore wind energy foundation jacket pile grippers and grout seals is a sophisticated endeavor that underscores the importance of tailored engineering solutions in renewable energy projects. The pile grippers are custom designed to meet specific load requirements, ensuring that they provide optimal stability during the installation phase, regardless of challenging weather conditions. This adaptability is crucial for maintaining safety and structural integrity while mitigating risks during offshore operations. In addition to stability, these grippers are equipped with contingency features that facilitate quick responses to unforeseen circumstances that may arise during their operational lifespan. This reliability enhances the overall performance of offshore wind turbines, allowing them to function efficiently even in adverse conditions. On the other hand, grout seals play a vital role in ensuring watertightness within offshore installations. Manufactured with a unique double-lip design, these seals deliver dependable sealing performance across various wind turbine structures and platforms. IRM produces grout seals with diameters ranging from 600 mm to 3,650 mm, catering to diverse project needs. Additionally, these grout seal assemblies can be paired with appropriate mud scrapers to prevent sediment intrusion from below the jacket, further enhancing the integrity of the installation. Together, these components not only exemplify advanced engineering practices but also contribute to the durability and sustainability of offshore wind energy systems,